everyone, it's Shel from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. Today's day 17 in the 2023 Countdown to Christmas series, and the technique for today is a gift card holder or a money holder. So today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to create a gift card holder on the front of a card, and you don't need any specialty dies for this. Usually I do very intricate things, but I wanted to show something very easy that you could easily mass produce or make at the last minute for someone that you have a gift card for, or you're invited to a last minute party and you want to bring something. This is a very quick and easy card to create. So we're going to start off with a 5x7 white card base. The red cardstock is a 1/8 of an inch smaller than the card base, and then the pattern paper is an 1/8 of an inch smaller than the red. I took two dies that are relatively similar in size. The larger one I cut out from the red cardstock, the smaller one I cut out from the pattern paper. We're going to layer these two together, and then we're going to pop it up, and that's what's going to create our gift card holder. So while you're watching me glue these together and just trying to figure everything out, I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about the series. Marie from Marie's Vermont Creations and I have come together to do 25 different projects for Christmas. There's different themes, techniques, stamp sets, etc. We have a lot of good stuff. I know it's day 17 already, which is crazy, but we have a lot of great stuff still coming in the next 4 weeks. Next Monday is exactly 4 weeks till Christmas, which is so crazy that it's going to be here quickly. But we have a lot of great ideas up until the very last day, which is actually, I just counted yesterday. I believe I counted correctly, and it's the Friday before Christmas because Christmas is on a Monday. So make sure that you check out the intro video to my channel. I will have a link to that below in the more information section. I will also leave a link to Marie's channel. Make sure you go over and check out her channel and her intro videos. She and I have different styles of card making and project making, so you're going to get to see the same theme, technique, etc. in 2 different styles, which I think is pretty cool. So make sure that you go over and check it out. Like I said, we drop videos Mondays and Fridays, so we're almost, we still have a couple more weeks, and so we still have a lot of good projects left, so I hope that you will join us. We have both given away, said we were going to add to our channels once we got to a certain number, and she and I both have reached one of the numbers. If I reach 750 by the end of the series, I will do an additional giveaway into the couple that I'm already doing. So help me get there, like, share, comment on the video, and I appreciate all of your support. Okay, so let's get back to the card. I'm now taking some foam tape and I'm going and cutting it down to place on the back of this piece that we've created from the 2 shapes we cut out. You don't have to have these wonky shapes. You could have rectangles, you could have circles, you could have squares. You could do so many different things. You could even cut a pocket out of a piece of cardstock and then just go around, do the same thing I'm doing here and go around the edges. So I apologize, I don't have an actual gift card. So what I decided to do was just use this card that was in my stash. It's from my grad school. So if you notice, I did put the bottom piece of the foam tape up a little bit higher, not towards the edge, because I didn't want the gift card to fall down. So when I lined it up, I made sure that some of that gift card was sticking out at the top, just so that the person could pull it out. So you'll notice that I just put 3 sides of foam tape on there. I'm going to carefully put it on there. You can also use anti-static powder along the sides so that the gift card doesn't get caught on any of the tape. Mine wasn't, and I gave it a little bit of a wider gap between where it should go because I didn't want it to get stuck on the tape. But you could do that before you stick it down just so that the card doesn't get stuck. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that same Bearly Arts glue, put it onto the back of the piece, and then glue it onto the front of the card. So that's it for today. Like I said, it was a very quick and easy card, probably one of the quickest ones for the entire series. I didn't even speed this up. Usually I do 2 times the speed, but this is all in real time, so you'll see how quick it came together. You can make this in definitely under 10 minutes once you've cut everything out. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you're enjoying the series. Leave me comments and questions below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon for another video. Bye!